Eggnog and the holidays is my favorite. Chocolate eggnog is even better, more like dessert. So today we're gonna make a caramel chocolate eggnog martini. So to get started, I have a shaker here full of ice, and we're gonna use Kahlua, 3 ounces of Kahlua. So, 2, 1 more. Next, we're gonna use a vanilla vodka. So I need to point out here that this is the biggest bottle of vanilla vodka I've ever seen. I love hosting and I'm always cooking, so my guests always bring me alcohol. And somebody brought me this giant bottle that I haven't even opened yet. So we're gonna open it to make this delicious martini. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of, oh my God, this is so heavy. 2 ounces of this vanilla vodka and 8 ounces of store-bought eggnog. This is really a rich drink, but it's probably like my dessert. Shake that up. Smells so good. So martini glass, we're gonna do some caramel sauce on the edge of this. I mean, all of these ingredients. How can you go wrong? Put that caramel all the way around. And I'm gonna dip it in cocoa powder with some sugar. So we're just gonna give that another little toss in there for our rim. There we go. We're gonna strain our eggnog. That perfect pour. I'm gonna have to make you one later, but this one is for me. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.